Hello everyone, I am Meghna PS, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Today in this session I am discussing on the topic players in primary market. In the previous session we discussed about the meaning of primary market, that is primary market is a market for new issues, and we discussed the some of the features of primary market, that is it is a market for new securities and it is a market for long term securities. Here we cannot withdraw our investment. Both small and large investors can participate. Government can also raise the funds from the primary market. Both new and existing companies can also raise the funds from the primary market. These are some of the features of primary market which we discussed in the previous session. And also we discussed the methods of floating a new issue. We have four methods. First one is public issue, second one is right issue, next is offer for sale, and last one is private placement. Public issue means here the shares are issued to the public directly from the company. That is the initial public offerings. It is used by both new and existing companies. And the second one is right issue. Here this is used by the existing companies. Here the existing shareholders have given option that they can purchase the shares of the company. So that is the right issue. Next one is offer for sale. Here the company will not directly issue to the public. Firstly, it is sold, the shares are sold to the stockbrokers, then the stockbrokers resell it to the public. And the last one is private placement. Here, the stockbroker purchases the securities and then they sell it to their clients privately. That is the private placement. These are the concepts which we discussed in the previous session. Objective of this session is to know about the important players or components in the primary market, and by the end of this session you are able to identify various players of primary market and their roles or duties. Let's look at the important players of primary market. Players of primary market means institutions or individuals who take part in the activities of primary market. They are called as an players of primary market. There are many players in the primary market. Some of the important players are merchant bankers, registrars, bankers to the issue, underwriters, stockbrokers, advertising agents, financial institutions, and government agencies. In this session, I will discuss three players of primary market, that is merchant banker, registrar and bankers to the issue. The first important player in the primary market is merchant banker. Merchant bankers are the persons or institutions engaged in the business of managing new issue, which means that merchant bankers may be an individual person or it may be an institution which do the activity or which manages the new issue of a business, that they are called as a merchant banker. They just not manages the new issue, and they also provide some advisory and consultancy services to the company. And they also make arrangements for promotion, selling and subscription of securities. Promotion in the sense they prepare a prospectus and they go for any media advertisements also for promoting the new issue, and they also sell the shares of a company and they get the subscription from the investors. So this is about the merchant banker. ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಹೊಸ ಷೇರು ವಿತರಣೆಯನ್ನ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬರೀ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಉದ್ಯಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಲಹೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆಯ ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಷೇರು ವಿತರಣೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೊಸ ಷೇರಿನ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮತ್ತು ಹೂಡಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಪಡೆಯೋದು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. According to SEBI regulations of 1992, merchant banker means any person who is engaged in the business of issue management, either by making arrangements regarding selling, buying or subscribing to securities, or acting as a manager, consultant, advisor, or rendering corporate advisory services in relation to such issue management, which means merchant banker is a person who engaged in the activity of managing the issue. Issue management means then it manages all the activities of new issue. And either how they manage means either by making arrangements regarding selling and buying or subscribing or both the same to securities. Here they make arrangements. They only make the arrangements for selling of new issue and get the subscription from the investor. And also along with this function, they can also provide managing services, consultancy services, or advisory in the sense corporate advisory services in relation to such issue management. The State Bank of India is the first Indian bank which established the merchant banking division in the year 1972. Later, ICICI Bank establishes its merchant banking division, followed by Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, and UCO Bank. The next concept is functions of the merchant banker. This will be discussed in detail in the module 4. I will give just a gist of the functions of merchant banker. The first function is corporate counseling, which means merchant bankers provide opinions and give suggestions and help the company to take actions which provides the solution for their problems. And the next one is project counseling. Merchant bankers will also assist the company in preparing the project reports as well as deciding upon the source of that project as well as cost of that project, and they also helps in appraising the project. Next one is loan syndication, which means merchant bankers help the company to get the term loans for their projects. The important function of merchant banker is issue management. Here they do some of the activities with pre-issue functions are there and also post-issue functions are there. In the pre-issue, they prepare a prospectus and they market the new issue, that is promotion activity, and they also price the new issue. In the post-issue management activities, the merchant banker, they collect the application money and they get the statement of account from the bankers, and they decide upon the basis for allotment mails are sent as well as share certificates will be sent, and refund activity is also taken by the merchant banker. Merchant banker also help the companies in appointments of other players of primary market, that is underwriters, registrars, and bankers to the issue. It also provides advisory services regarding mergers and takeover. In this function, they act as a middleman between the two parties and they negotiate the contract. It also provides portfolio management services to the investors. In this portfolio management services, it advises the investors to diversify their investment, which reduces the risk and they also get the higher return. Offshore finance means merchant banker helps their clients in the areas which involves the foreign currency. These are the functions of merchant bankers which are detailedly discussed in the module 4. Registrars are also have a major role next to the merchant banker in respect of servicing the investors. Here, registrar to the issue is one of the important category of intermediary. Intermediary means they are the middlemen who undertake application collection, record keeping and allotment activities connected with new issue management. Means they do all the activities which are connected to the new issue management. Some of the activities which they take are they collect the application from the investor and they keep the record of all those investors, and they also allot the shares to the subscribers, and they are appointed by the company in consultation with merchant bankers. And to be appointed as a registrar, registration with SEBI is compulsory. This appointed registrar act as a middleman between the investors and the company, and he look after all the activities of the new issue management. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಟು ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಸ ಷೇರು ವಿತರಣೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಇವರು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನ ಇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಷೇರುಗಳನ್ನ ಹಂಚಿಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಆದವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರು ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆ ನಡೆಸಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಸೆಬಿಯ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನೋಂದಣಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. According to SEBI regulations 2006, they define the registrar to an issue as the person appointed by a body corporate or any person or group of person to carry out the following activities on its or his or their behalf, which means that registrar to an issue is a person who is appointed by a company, or he may be appointed by a person, or it may be appointed by group of persons to carry out the following activities on behalf of their company or person or group of persons. The activities which carried by registrar to an issue are collecting application from investor in respect of an issue. Means when they call for a when they go for a new issue, the registrar has to collect application from the investors. The next one is keeping a proper record of application and monies received from investors or paid to the seller of the securities. The next thing the registrar has to do is they have to keep the record of investor details, which includes that the name and address and for how many shares they are applied for and the application money received from the investors. All these details has to be recorded. And if the company appointed any middleman to sell the securities, the registrar also maintain the record of money paid to those sellers of the securities. The third one is assisting body corporate or person or group of persons in determining the basis of allotment of securities in consultation with stock exchange. Means the registrar has to help the company or maybe a person or maybe a group of person who appointed the registrar. They has to help in determining, that is deciding upon the basis for allotment. The allotment basis may be a proportionate basis, or it may be based on first come first serve, or it may be on pro rata allotment. So they have to decide upon the basis for allotment in consultation with the stock exchange. And next one is finalizing the list of persons entitled to allotment. Based on the basis of allotment, the registrar has to finalize the final list of subscribers or investors who are entitled to the allotment of shares. And the last one, they have to process the allotment procedure and they have to dispatch the allotment letters. For those the shares are allotted, they have to dispatch allotment letters, and for those who don't who not allotted the not allotted the shares, they have to get the refund of their application money, and who got the allotment, they also get the share certificate and other related documents in respect of the issue has to be provided or mailed to our investors by the registrar. Registrar plays a vital role in all the stages of issue management. In the pre-issue stage, registrar to an issue suggests a draft application and they help in identifying the collection centers, and also they help in opening an account with the collection centers, and also they lay down the procedures to collect the money from investors, and they also provide instruction to the collection centers with related to collection of application as well as money. And during the issue, the registrar receives the collection figures every day from the collection centers, and they tabulate and classify the collected data, and they also inform the merchant banker and as well as company about the progress of total subscription, and they also inform the stock exchange about the closure of the issue. In the pre-allotment stage, the registrar get the applications from the collection centers and they sort out the valid and invalid applications. After that, the valid they reclassify the valid application as an eligible for allotment applications, and then they approach the regional stock exchange if that is they approach the stock exchanges to determine the basis of allotment of securities in case of oversubscription, and finally they finalize the allotment list, and if there is any mistake they are going to correct it. And in allotment stage, it is the most important work of an registrar to an issue. After finalizing the list of investors, they allot the shares according to the basis of allotment. And in the post allotment work, they get the printed form of allotment letters and as well as refund letters, and they also mail those letters to the investors before 70 days from the closing date of subscription, and they also submit all the statements of the company for their final approval, and they also arrange the payment to the brokerage and underwriting commissions and submit their relevant statement also, and lastly they assist the company in getting all allotted shares listed in stock exchange. So the registrar to an issue plays a vital role in all the stages, like in pre-issue and during the issue and pre-allotment work, allotment work as well as post-allotment work. The next important player in primary market is banker to the issue. He is also another important category of intermediary who handles collection, payment and coordination activities connected with the new issue. Here the banker is going to collect the applications directly from the investors and also application money from the investors, and they are appointed by a company in consultation with merchant bankers. Same as registrar, they are also appointed in consultation with merchant bankers, and the banker to the issue, they provide information to the registrar as well as the merchant bankers about the subscribers of our issue. So banker to the issue antandre, they are also a middleman between the investors and the company. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಟು ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಅರ್ಜಿಗಳನ್ನ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಂದ ಪಾವತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸಿಟ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಕೂಡ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಚರ್ಚಿಸಿನೇ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವರು ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಚಂದಾದಾರರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. According to SEBI regulations 1994, they define banker to an issue means it is a scheduled bank carrying on all the activities which are followed below or any of these activities. So what are all those activities which are carried by banker to an issue is acceptance of application and application money. So first thing is they have to accept the application of the application from the investor along with the application money, and acceptance of allotment or call monies. After the allotment of shares, the investor has to pay allotment money as well as call money when they are called. So the banker to the issue also receives the allotment as well as call money and refund of application money. So if the application is rejected, so then the application money has to be refunded to the investor. So this refund activity is also carried by the banker to an issue. And the last one is payment of dividend or interest warrant. And also when the dividend is declared or interest to be paid by the company, the banker to an issue has to pay the dividend amount to the investors of who invested in shares, and interest payment has to be made to the debt instruments. So the major functions of banker to the issue is to maintain the accounts and records which states about the investors and their the money which is received from the investors, as well as these records has to be maintained and preserved properly, and they have to inform the organization about where the records are kept. To act as a banker to an issue, the banker as well as the company has to get into a contract and they make an agreement between them. And every banker has to appoint the compliance officer to monitor that whether the banker is complying with the act rules and regulations or not, and also the compliance officer has to take the redressal activities. Means if there is any problems for an investor, that has to be sorted out by the bankers through the grievance redressal cells. So by summing up this session, we discussed about the various players who are acting in the primary market. We discussed 3 of them, and other players will be discussed in the next session. The first one we discussed about the merchant banker. He is the person who provides the consultation services to manage the whole new issue. And we next discussed about the registrar to the issue who collects the application, and he decides upon the basis for allotment and prepare the allotment list, as well as he actually allot the securities for the investors. And next we discussed about the banker to the issue who handles the collection of applications or collection of money, and as well as payment of money in the form of dividend as well as interest relating to the new issue. These are the references for this material. I hope you understand the concept of players in the market, that is merchant banker, registrar to an issue, as well as banker to an issue. In the next session, we will continue with the players in the market. Thank you for watching.